The Kitchen Minis collection of tabletop vegetables has a great assortment of sweet peppers, hot peppers, delicious tomatoes, and now we have a brand new addition to the family with quick snack cucumber. You can actually grow a cucumber on your sunny windowsill or your countertop. This guy has deliciously crunchy, sweet, smooth skin fruit on it. I like to harvest them when they're between 2 and 3 inches long. They're great for snacking. They're great for putting in your salad. They're great for putting in water. The other nice thing about Quick Snack is, unlike most cucumbers, you don't need insects to pollinate it, so you don't need to release a swarm of bees in your kitchen. Quick Snack Cucumber is a great addition to the Kitchen Minis family. Remember, no garden, no problem.